Hello friends, today's topic is about importance of centromere. So centromere, that is important location over the chromosome, and what is the significance of this centromere in molecular biology, that we will look in this video. So first of all, we will look some organization of the DNA. So DNA, that is double helical structure, and that DNA helix that will wound around the particular protein histone, and that will make nucleosome. Such nucleosome combine and make a chromatin fiber. This chromatin fiber will further condense and make a chromosome. Now this chromosome structure is generally not seen in each and every phase of the cell cycle. It is particularly seen in the metaphase or particularly M phase. So this centromere, and what is the significance of this centromere, that we will look. So first, chromatin fiber are supercoiled and condensed to form chromosome, and that is occurring mostly in the M phase of the cell cycle. So it can be asked in the exam. You have to remember these chromosome are particularly seen during M phase of the cell cycle. So packaging of this nucleoprotein, that is histone as well as that nucleoprotein within chromosome, is very specific, and that can be seen as a G bending, and that is occurring with the help of Giemsa staining. So during this metaphase, the DNA as super packed chromosome where identical sister chromatin are connected at particular location, and that location of connection of these two sister chromatin and is called as a centromere. So depending on the length of this chromosome, the position of the centromere, the chromosome are numbered from number 1 to 22. So in our body, total 23 pairs of chromosome, and that numbering is possible with the help of this position of the centromere. So metacentric, submetacentric, extracentric, and telocentric. So this particular name is given as per that particular location of the centromere. So metacentric mostly accept, means all these P arm and Q arm of this chromosome that is equal in size. But submetacentric, that is centromere is not exactly in the center of the chromosome. It may be just above or just below of the center. So that different location of this centromere, that is helping to identification of the different pairs of the chromosome. Further, this chromosome in human body, there are 23 pairs of chromosome are seen, and the position of centromere is a very characteristic mark for the specific chromosome or numbering of the chromosome. So centromere has repeated DNA sequence. So this centromere have one particular characteristic. It have a particular nitrogenous base pair, but these base pair are very repeated over the centromere, and it is about 10 lakh base pair that is in mammals. So particular over that centromere side, 10 lakh base pair are seen, and it is also observed there is a repeated DNA sequences, and this region also shows a lot of specific centromere binding protein, and this binding protein that is helping to attachment of the chromatin fiber, as well as this region is called as a kinetochore, which provide the anchor for the mitotic spindle. So during M phase, particular these chromosome are arranged over this spindle, and for the attachment over the spindle, these also kinetochore, and this region of the kinetochore is required, and this provide the anchor for the attachment over the mitotic spindle. So that is importance of the kinetochores as well as centromere that you have to remember in molecular biology. So that's all about significance of the centromere.